Hello students, I welcome you once again to my class. Today I am here with a new video and this time I have come to discuss with you a question which is based on the story The Enemy. The question is justify the title of the story The Enemy. This type of question you might get from other stories as well. It's a very common question. Many a times the 6 marks question that you get, this type of questions are asked. Now what I'm going to do is this, that I'm going to discuss the points on which you can develop your answer. It's not necessary that what I am telling over here in this video, you exactly need to write these things. But these are the points on which you should develop, you should write your own answer. Okay? Justify the title of the story, The Enemy. Now the settings and background of the story it happens in a coastal town of Japan, okay, The Enemy, and the time is around, you can say it's the time of most probably 1941, when Japan and America, they were hostile towards each other because a war was going on between the two nations. Now the story develops around the dilemma that human beings face when they have to choose between the call of patriotism and the call of humanity. So the protagonist of the story, Dr. Sadao, he one day found an injured American soldier lying almost in a dying condition near the shore of his house. The very first reaction that came in his mind when he saw this soldier was what to do with him. Since he was an American, at first he thought to throw him back into the sea, leave it on fate. If the man is lucky, he will survive. If he is not, he will die. But though this thought came in his mind, he could not implement it in action. Why? Because the call of duty came on his path. Being a doctor, he thought, instead of looking down at the man as his enemy, he should first consider him as a person who needs to be attended by a doctor, and he was a doctor. So his first and foremost duty was to attend his patient. So he, along with his wife, decided to take the man at their house, treat him. He had received a bullet injury at the backside of his body, on the lower portion of the body, and Dr. Sadao operated on the man. But he had decided, he and his wife, both of them, they had decided that once the man gets well, they will inform the Japanese police and they will hand him over to the police, because he was actually a prisoner of war. He tried to run away from the prison, and that's why he was shot from the back. But circumstance was such that almost 2 weeks passed away, and till Dr. Sadao could not take a very firm decision about informing the police about this man. And he did not know why was it so. It's not that he had started liking the man a lot, or it's not that he had developed a soft corner for him, because being a Japanese, he knew very well, or he believed, that Americans are very repulsive. that Americans, they always have a very superior feeling about themselves, and they don't like Japanese. Every day when he met his patient, that American soldier who was gradually recovering from his injury, he could see in his eyes disbelief. Understood? Dr. Sadao could see in his eyes surprise and sometimes disbelief, as if the man himself was confused why, after all, a Japanese doctor saved his life, as if he found it very difficult to believe. And Sadao also, though he was treating the man, though he made him well, though he risked his reputation in the country, because he was a very reputed doctor, had this news would become, you can say, public, that he had been sheltering an enemy in his house, then he might have faced serious consequences. He knew it very well. That's why he was also not having a great liking for the man. A mixed feeling he was going through. It was mixed with hatred and duty. Understood? So finally one day Dr. Sadao decided, he was treating the general of the Japanese army as well. So one day he decided, when he saw his wife being very anxious, he decided to inform everything to the Japanese general of the army, and he did so. The general also promised that he will send his private assassins to get the man killed, so that Dr. Sadao and he himself both remain safe. But the general was an old man. He was so very engrossed in his illness, with his stomach pain and everything, because he had a problem with his gallbladder, that he forgot to send his assassins. And Dr. Sadao was expecting the assassins in his house every night. Finally, when they did not come, he became very, you can say, the stress was too much for him to take. He could not take the stress anymore. So finally he decided to help this man to escape, go back to his own country. And he made arrangement for that. When he told this thing to the man, asked him to go to a nearby island, stay over there till he finds a Korean fishing ship and then leave, he did not find that there was complete faith in the man, because the American, still it could be seen through his look that he still considered Dr. Sadao as a Japanese, and he had this feeling that Japanese were the enemies of the Americans. And Dr. Sadao also was not helping the man because he had developed a liking for him, or because he was very sympathetic, very kind towards the man. He simply considered the man as a matter of trouble in his life, Dr. Sadao. Understood? At the end of the story also, till the end, Dr. Sadao considered the American as a troublesome person for him. A person who, if he remains in his life, will bring more problems in his life. So he wanted just to get rid of it. So you see, this feeling of enmity existed in the two persons till the end of the story. Understood? Though he helped the enemy to escape, but it was not that the feeling of enmity disappeared. The feeling of enmity was there in both the persons. So if we take this point into consideration, we can say that the title "The Enemy" is exactly correct, is absolutely justified. Understood, boys? Because they both considered each other as their enemy, or you can say that they both did not have a complete likeness, too much likeness for each other at the end of the story, when the American was escaping, was asked to leave his house. So that is why the title is absolutely justified. I hope you have understood my points, and it will be beneficial for you to write your answer in your exam in case you get this question. Alright, students, thank you.